So I am going to introduce you guys to E-Flora BC, which is an electronic atlas of the flora of British Columbia. This is a very helpful resource, and I would say an authority on plant identification, taxonomy, current scientific names, and maps of distributions in the province. So what I like to use is this advanced search button. And what you can add here is the name of the species, according to family, genus, species, subspecies, or variety. We'll talk about that later in the term, or common name. We can also search by species groupings, so types of plants, whether it has some sort of endangered species listing, or other associated plants. So here I'm going to put Labrador tea as a search term. Now, this is the current scientific name, Rhododendron groenlandicum. Family name, it's part of the Ericaceae family. And there you go, Labrador tea. So if you select View Atlas page, you will have image, and there are other images, I believe, that you can find. And then you can see some of its distribution on the map in BC, as well as descriptions about the plant, and then just information about the ecological framework, the environment where it exists. So information like the average elevation where it's found, the type of slope, where you might find it, aspect, soil moisture regime. In other words, 0 stands for very xeric, which means extremely dry environments. 4 is more of a mesic, meaning sort of medium moist environment. And 8 refers to hydric, which is extremely wet environment. So what we see is it tends to fall into more wet environments, so somewhere between just above mesic to more a hydric kind of environment. And I can tell you that ledum tends to be found in bogs, which are a type of wetland. And then what you have is information about the VEX zone. VEX stands for Biogeoclimatic Ecosystem Classification. In British Columbia, we have somewhere between, I think, 13 to 14 VEX zones. That number has been changing over the years. But what this says is modal means essentially the most common VEX zone where it is found. And this is referring to the boreal white and black spruce biogeoclimatic zone, which happens to be the largest biogeoclimatic zone in British Columbia. So it's not a surprise, but it is commonly found there. It's further up north. And what you see here is number of stations or zones where the species were recorded in. And you can see that it was very commonly recorded further north. On the coast, we are part of the coastal western hemlock biogeoclimatic zone, and we see it is also quite common on the coast. There's a little bit more information about the status of this plant. It says here that it's native. If it wasn't native, it would say non-native. In other words, it was introduced from elsewhere, say Europe or Asia. And there's more information around its status and whether it's endangered or not. And there's other resources here that you may find interesting related to that species. Another fantastic part of this website is that you can double-click, click here, and open up the map. So now you can see the distribution of where this plant has been found. But also what you can find is, so these are specimens of where they've been recorded and found. But what you can also add, if you go to your legend here, is certain layers, and one of those layers is the BEC map, so the Biogeoclimatic Ecosystem Classification map. And you should be able to view, it's not working, should be able to view in the legend what all these different colors refer to. So let's zoom a little bit. Maybe I'll refresh it. There we go. Okay, let's try this again. So if you turn on the BEC, there we go. Turn on the BEC zone map. What you see, earlier we were looking at this boreal white and black spruce, which is this part of the province. And we are down here, and what you see along the coast is that there is a lot of this green one, which is the coastal western hemlock biogeochromatic zone. And again, you will see where some of the examples of the plant are found. So anyways, this is a helpful tool, and you'll get to know it throughout the term.